नहीं अभी है ना
सर यहाँ पे अभी और अभी ये क्या मेरा
राइट राइट
I met him many years ago, and I know Veerdas' story. He has been to festivals, he's gone to places where small crowds are there, Edinburgh, जहाँ पे audiences बहुत ही unforgiving और खतरनाक होते हैं, और धीरे 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 करके Veerdas has started filling audiences here in Mumbai. Two wonderful shows I have seen, which are so fantastic. और एक दिन मैं लॉस एंजलिस में था और मैं बोला तू यहाँ क्या करते हैं? आई एम परफॉर्मिंग हियर इन लॉस एंजलिस. छोटा सा एक परफॉर्मेंस था. मैंने उस दिन मैं इतना खुश हुआ और इतना इम्प्रेस हुआ कि वीरदास ने ट्वीट किया, देयर वाज अ बिग बैनर ऑफ वीरदास on Hollywood Boulevard. And I'll tell you, the big movies that are released in Hollywood have those kind of banners, the big budget movies. And it is such a joy to see one of our own to be up there, huge banner and advertising for a show of his. And this is especially for his special on Netflix, the first of its kind for an Indian stand-up comedian. I think it's a moment we should all celebrate. I think it's a moment we all should be very proud of. And it is only the beginning, even though it is a culmination of many years of hard work that Veerdas has put into the craft, into the understanding of stand-up comedy, which is very difficult because crowds every day are different, material is different, and every day things change, and someday you might have the same material and a good crowd, and next day you may have the same material and a really bad crowd. But you've got to have a big heart to be a stand-up comedian. Comedy is not easy, but in films and television, it is a little easier than facing a live crowd, standing alone with a mic and cracking jokes. It's not a joke. It's not a joke. I am extremely proud. Thank you very much, Veer, for making us proud. You represent us very well. Thank you.
अरे नहीं एक सेकंड तुम पूछ ही नहीं रहे. Okay.
बोलना डार्लिंग, तेरे बिना मैं जा ही नहीं सकता हूँ.
You wanted to say this gentleman wanted to ask you.
Please, sir, I'd love to.
Veerdas जो ये एक पर्सन है जो यहाँ से इंडिया को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं बाहर पे और भी, तो how proud you feel for Veerdas?
I just said so. I just said because I have been hearing stories.
He is the first person to promote from India to stand
back. I just said सब कुछ तो बोला मैंने. And I feel it is so important that we celebrate it. I think it's important. You know, I find it difficult, you know, when you're shooting and when you go for a party, and I'm not very good with the cameras. I'm not good, but I feel it's important to be there. It's important to come and talk about these things. This should inspire a whole generation of comedians and stand-up comedians, which we have some wonderful comedians, which I watch on YouTube all the time, and I mean very nice. And it should inspire a lot of people that in comedy, actually, the world is your playground. The world is your playground, and Veerdas has gone ahead and proved that. Another thing, I saw a wonderful 5-minute spot that Veerdas did on the Conan O'Brien show. The biggest stars in Hollywood get onto the Conan O'Brien show, and it's a big moment. On the Conan show, you come for the biggest releases of your movie, to promote your movie. And I saw Veerdas doing a 5-minute spot. It gladdens your heart that one of us is going out there and doing good for us. Thank you. I'm very proud of you.
Good evening to you, Boman.
Good evening, my darling. How are you?
You're looking so refreshing, handsome, and young.
You discovered it today? I knew for a long time.
So, but I'm making you like क्या हुआ?
बोल ना. क्या हुआ? बोलना, ये मेरा डार्लिंग है यार.
ये थोड़ी अच्छी बात है.
अरे wasting more time doing all that.
Yeah. Very nice to see you on your show. How is your show? The show which you are doing on the TV?
It's an ultimate joy. It's an ultimate pleasure. Also to see youngsters who can be tomorrow's Veerdas. So it is so wonderful. Here he is. Please put your hands together and please welcome. How will you read everything that I said? And good, because it's a his head will become swollen. You know. बहुत कुछ बोला वीर, लेकिन अभी तू आ गया. I'm from that. But we are talking about the show. This will inspire them. This will inspire those little bachas. And I think this move and this wonderful piece of news, I think should inspire and spawn a whole generation of stand-up comedians the world over. It's not an easy journey. Somebody asked me, is comedy easy? I said, in many ways, comedy, drama is as difficult as easy. But standing with a mic all by yourself in front of a live audience that can be in a good mood, can be in a bad mood, it is a very, very difficult journey. It takes years to reach a level of confidence and understanding. And to see him on that poster, on the Netflix special, and to see him with Conan, where you see the best of the best coming in and representing the biggest budget movies and promoting them on their show, Veer Das gets a spot, just like Jerry Seinfeld got one many, many years ago.
Congratulations, Veer. Congratulations, Veer. I think so. Coming praises and appreciation from Baman, a big compliment for you.
It's I've learned more doing one short film with Baman than I have in probably my entire comedy career. I got to do a film with Baman and Johnny Lever, and that's like standing with two pillars of comedy. So I don't think there's anybody I look up to in the industry than Baman. Both high-fives and comedy. And I'm just very honored that he's here.
Thank you. I have to come. I have to.
So how was your response?
Yeah,
sure.
आ रहे हैं कि हमने कभी इंडियन कॉमेडी पहले देखा नहीं था और हम पहली बार देख रहे हैं और आप काफ़ी एंटरटेन कर रहे हो हमको. सो आई फील ऑनर्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट इंडियन कॉमेडी. इट्स वेरी गुड यार. हर ऑडियंस एक ही होता है, पूरी दुनिया में एक ही ऑडियंस होता है. सब सेक्स के बारे में हंसते हैं, खाने के बारे में हंसते हैं, बीवी के बारे में हंसते हैं, सब हंसते ही रहते हैं.
You are the first Indian to get a place in Netflix.
Yes.
So how did it?
I just hope I'm not the last Indian ever to get a place on Netflix. बहुत अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स है. We've been trending for 3 days, solid on Netflix. I hope कि Netflix will continue to promote Indian stand-up comedy.
What next from your side?
What next from my side? Hopefully one more thing on Netflix. 3 Bollywood films in the next 15 months and a world tour. Yeah.
Please name the films.
Padel Ki Punjabi Shaadi. So me, Rishi Kapoor and Paresh Rawal in the same movie. So different generations of comedy. And the other 2 I can't talk about.
So you're also working with Kamal Haasan sir.
I'm not working with Kamal Haasan sir. I don't know where that rumor has gotten started. I'm not in Kamal Haasan's movie. I hope I'm in Kamal Haasan's next movie, but I'm not in this one.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay,
Thank you so much. Thank you. What are we doing? Just the video. Just looking in the video. So we're looking in the video. We're looking at each other. We look at each other and we look at the video again. Okay.
Ma'am, right side.
Questions?
Just standing. Just standing. Sorry? Are we just standing here?
Yeah. Just for the visuals.
Look here, ma'am.
So now how does it feel? Have you seen any of Veer Das
Das's stand-up comedy acts, and what do you have to say about his acting?
I have seen him live actually. Apart from the fact that I think we really got to know him personally on Delhi Belly, and he's a fabulous talent. He is actually he improvises, and what I'm most proud about is that he's carving his own path, doing his own thing, creating content which is original, which celebrates what he wants to say to the world. And yeah, we are very proud to be here to be celebrating a night like this.
So do you think the image of comedians is changing all over the world? Because Aziz Ansari has a Netflix series as well. Now Veer Das has one. So you think the space that comedians enjoy is changing today?
I don't know if it's changing, but I do know that I really welcome the fact that there are more people who are creating content that is around them. They're not trying to fit into somebody else's story. They are the center of their own universe, and they have a very unique story to say. I'm a huge fan of Aziz also, and I don't think we should be comparing talents. I think Veer is doing his own thing, and I'm hoping that many more people do their own thing, and I hope that the whole country wakes up to the fact that there is life beyond just films. There's a whole live entertainment space, be it music, be it stand-up, be it theatre, be it so many different ways to express yourself. So I don't think the only aspiration that one should have, or the only dream in the entertainment sphere, should be starting and ending with films. So I welcome many more such people coming up and creating content that is, you know, reflective of what they want to say to the world.
So now have things cooled down between you and Sonakshi, because there was this tweet, something happened and she blocked and you retaliated and things like that?
Things are never hot as such, yeah.
No.
She's in Australia, I'm wearing leather in Bombay. I think this is the only thing which is making me feel hot right now. But I think it's all in a good space where we live in times where we can express ourselves. We have different point of views, we can argue, and the media seems to pick up the most inane things actually to blow up beyond. I might post 100 different things about the most exciting, positive things happening around the country, but that is not exciting enough for 100 people to go viral with. So a comment on this particular case was again not about Sonakshi or any one person in particular. It was a much more general comment about how we should celebrate merit, people who work hard, and you know, who should go on to any particular stage after having learnt their craft and technique. So that's a general statement that I made. That it got picked up as just some kind of a fight between me and Sonakshi, it's kind of ridiculous. I have nothing personal against Sonakshi. I wish her the best. I hope she has the best opening in her films. And when she comes on stage to sing, she should actually sing and blow us away. And if she sings well, I would be the first one to clap for her. Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, यहाँ पे last corner. Sir, here. Sir, यहाँ पे. Sir, यहाँ पे. Sir, one right. Sir, यहाँ पे. Right. Hello, sir. Sir, यहाँ. यहाँ पे सर.